You don't need 21 days to rebuild your life. Not 90, not even 7. You need 1 day, one choice, one moment where you stop lying to yourself and finally do what must be done. Because the truth is, you don't need more time, you need more honesty. And today, I'm going to give you something almost no one else will, a 24-hour method to reset your mind, your energy, and your direction. This isn't about motivation. This is a battlefield. Let's rebuild you today. Step 1. Extreme self-isolation. Choose one day. Shut off your phone, no internet, no social media, no scrolling, no messaging, no unnecessary input. Just you and your thoughts. Why? Because most people aren't broken, they're overstimulated. Their mind has no space to think, reflect, or breathe. We are drowning in noise. And silence is the fastest route to clarity. If you can't spend a day alone with your thoughts, you're not avoiding boredom, you're avoiding reality. Step 2. The mirror ritual. Now comes the part nobody mentions. Stand in front of a mirror. Look into your own eyes. No music, no affirmations. 5 minutes of stillness. Ask one question. Who am I pretending to be? That's it. But ask it seriously. You'll feel it. That pressure in your chest is your real self waking up, because you've been performing for everyone else, and deep down you know it. Today is the day you drop the act. Today is the day you tell the truth. Step 3. Break to rebuild. Write down 3 things: the habits sabotaging your potential, the environments that drain your power, the lies you tell to be accepted. Now destroy the page. Tear it, burn it, shred it, doesn't matter. Why? Writing brings awareness. Destroying it sends a message to your subconscious. We're not going back. That older version of you ends today. Step 4. The warrior hour. This is where we hit physical, mental, and inner discipline. Set a 60-minute timer. Break it into 20 minutes, body. Move, run, push-ups, stretch, cold shower, whatever pushes your limits. 20 minutes, mind. Dump everything you're feeling onto paper. No structure, no filter. Let the chaos empty out. 20 minutes, stillness. No phone, no music. Just breathing, just presence. Do this and something shifts. You regain control, strength, and awareness. Step 5. The 9 p.m. rule. At 9 p.m., return to the mirror. But this time, don't question anything. Just say, "Thank you for showing up today." Not perfection, not progress, just presence. Because that's what most people never give themselves: one full day of honesty. A day where you didn't run, you didn't hide, you didn't fake anything. You faced yourself, and that is rare. You're not damaged, you're just buried under comfort, fear, and noise. But one day, one honest, focused, intense day can change your whole trajectory. Not because you became someone else, but because you finally stopped acting. If this reached you, don't scroll past it. Act, fix yourself today, and join my WhatsApp channel for daily mindset upgrades. Links are below. Let's level up every single day.